from Lakeview credits their pit bull for saving their lives. News 4's Marissa Perlman shares how this hero dog jumped into action just in time.
Ruby, go get it. Pick it up and bring it here.
Attentive and well-trained, Ruby the pit bull doesn't bark very often.
Typically, she only barks for one reason, and that's if somebody is at the door.
So Thursday night, when her owners say she wouldn't stop barking, Roneen Ando and her husband, Chris, knew something was up.
That went on for probably about an hour and a half. I guess I figured at that point something was up. She got up. She came into the kitchen. She went downstairs where you came in. She can open the gate by herself. That gate is locked, but she opened it up, and she was standing down there.
The Andos had put a propane heater in their basement recently. Immediately, Roneen Ando smelled carbon monoxide when she went downstairs. Ruby had picked up the smell and got her owner's attention.
Probably if it weren't for Ruby, I can't say what. I don't know.
Ruby is a trained therapy dog through Paws for Love with the SPCA, but doesn't have rescue training. Her owners say this was all instinct.
Dogs typically are pretty intuitive. I believe that breed is even more so with all the research that I've done. And yeah, I think that was it. Hands down.
Roneen Ando is an advocate for pit bulls. She wants the community to know there are misconceptions out there about this breed.
The breed is got a bad rap. They're very protective, no doubt about that. But they are really amazing dogs, provided that they're trained well and kept busy.
Now Roneen and Chris are forever grateful for what they call their lifesaver. Reporting in Lakeview, Marissa Perlman, News 4.